Naniniwala ako na we all have our different versions of katangahan. Minsan in denial tayo, kaya hindi natin ino-own yung label na yun. Kasi sino ba naman yung gustong mag-own ng label na tanga ako? Diba?
Wala. Lalo na ako, hello. with my position, with my stature in life. Ang hirap aminin na tanga ka.
Exactly.
Tapos yung parang feeling mo na sobrang baba mo, pero yun yung nararamdaman mo, pero hindi mo ma-accept sa sarili. Siguro kasi we are blinded by love. Mahal natin eh, kahit anong sabihin mo na hirap na tayo, na sinasabi ng tao na ang tanga-tanga mo, you shouldn't do this, you shouldn't do that. Pero anong magagawa mo kung mahal mo?
Totoo.
You're in that situation because you chose it.
At saka, wait lang, perfect dito yung kantang, I can't fight this feeling
Tama na.
anymore. Totoo yun. Totoo na parang, no matter how hard you try to stop your feeling towards that person, it's impossible. Why? Ewan mo. Parang that's the magic of love eh.
Totoo.
Diba? Na parang ayaw mo pero gusto mo.